Welcome to Vivid Brains. Today we are dealing with Class 11 Straight Lines 3A, Roman number 2, eighth question. The question goes like this. Find the equation of a straight line passing through minus 4, 5 and cutting off equal and non-zero intercepts on the coordinate axis. So, here it is given that a straight line which is passing through one point is given, and if we observe cutting off equal intercepts, equal non-zero intercepts, that is very important. We know the intercept form of a line. What is the equation for intercept form of a line? That is x by a plus y by b is equal to 1. Yes. So what is this? Equation of straight line. Equation of straight line. ST means straight line with the intercept form. Intercept form. Okay. This is intercept form. Now, given that this intercepts are equal. Here intercepts are what? What are intercepts? A and B are intercepts, right? So here non-zero and equal intercepts, right? So can we take A is equal to B here? So the equation, if A is equal to B, then what about the equation x by A plus y by B, because B is also equal to A. I'm substituting B as A. So x plus y is equal to A. This is our equation. What they said, find the equation of a straight line passing through minus 4, 5 and cutting off equal intercepts, equal and non-zero intercepts, right? So it is passing through this line, passing through the line, right? Otherwise, the line passing through what is the point given? Minus 4, 5. Okay. Yeah. Now you said, because the line passing through the point, we know any line which is passing through the point x, y, right? So if the line is passing through x, y and whose intercepts are a and b, then the equation of the line is x by a plus y by b is equal to 1, right? So it is passing through minus 4, 5. Can I substitute in this equation 4, 5? Yeah. Come on, substitute. That is x plus y is equal to a is our line equation, right? Equation of a line. I am substituting in this. So I will get, so a is equal to 1, right? So what is the equation of required line? Equation of required line is what is that? Is equal to x plus y is equal to a, right? So x plus y, which is equal to a is 1, right? So x plus y minus 1 is equal to 0. This is our equation of a line whose non-zero intercepts are equal and it passes through minus 4, 5. So intercept form, whenever they gave about intercepts, you go for intercept form of a line. And then which is passing through means where whatever the point has to satisfy the given equation. Okay. If any line which has a point x, y, what is the meaning of that? This point has to satisfy the line equation. That means whatever the point you are keeping in that particular equation must satisfies the equation. That is the meaning. Okay. The any point which lies on the line means that is the very important concept of straight lines. Okay. Yes. Let us move to the next question. Come on. Yeah. Find the equation of a straight line passing through minus 2, 4 and making non-zero intercepts. This is also non-zero intercept, but the sum is 0. Whereas in previous case, intercepts are equal. Okay. Yes. Come on. So here, what do we take? Because this is also intercept form, no? Can we take the line equation of a straight line? Equation of a straight line, intercept form or intercept form of a line. What is that? X by a plus y by b is equal to 1, right? And here it is given that sum is 0. So what are our intercepts? Intercepts whose sum is 0 means intercepts are our a and b, right? So can we take, according to the question, according to the condition, we can take a plus b is equal to 0. Yes. So this is given, right? Then what is given after that? Equation of a line a plus b is equal to 0. Then a becomes minus b, right? Or b becomes minus a. You can write b is equal to minus a. So can I substitute in this b as minus a? Yes. Plus minus a, which is equal to 1. Okay. So x plus y is equal to minus a, we will get. Yes. X plus y is equal to minus a, you are getting. Or you can take x minus y is equal to, let me write this. So can we take a, this is minus, you take, okay, this becomes plus, okay. Then a is LCM, x minus y is equal to 1, then x minus y is equal to a. This is our equation, okay. X minus y is equal to a. Now, which is passing through, this is passing through this is passing through, what are the point? What is the point? Minus 2 comma 4. Can we substitute in this? So any line passing through one particular point means it has to satisfy the given equation. That thing I am doing now. Okay. Minus 2 plus 4 is equal to a. Okay. 4 minus 2 is equal to 2. A is equal to 2. So we got a as 2. Then the required line, we can write the required line now very easily because we got, so a x minus y, sorry, x is minus 2 and y is plus 4, no, sorry, a minus 4, no, so it becomes minus 6, okay. So a is equal to minus 6, sorry. Then what do we get? X minus y is equal to minus 6, or x minus y plus 6 is equal to 0 is our equation. This is the equation of a line whose intercepts, whose sum is 0, and it is passing through minus 2 comma 4. So what we do actually we are doing that according to the given question, we have to observe we have to get the general form of equation. So from that, you have to apply the given condition and any condition, and then which is passing through any point, so that it has to satisfy the given equation. Like that, three step solution for this kind of problems. Let us move to the next question. Yes. Let us move to the next question, row number 3. Find the equation of a straight line passing through the point 3 comma minus 4 and making x and y intercepts which are in the ratio 2 is to 3, right? So what is the, because this is, you observe, this is also intercept, no? Basing on the intercept, by reading the question, you understood that this is the intercept based question, no doubt, right? So can we take equation of a line in the intercept form? What is the equation of a line? Equation of a line in intercept form. What is the intercept form of a line? X by a plus y by b is equal to 1, right? Yes. Now, what is given here? Intercept ratio is given. Ratio, the two intercepts are in this ratio, 2 is to 3. That means, so A by B is equal to 2 by 3, right? So can we find B or A any one thing? So one variable value to make the thing same. So can we find B? B is equal to 3A by 2, right? So can I put this in this equation? Yes, I am keeping x by a plus y upon b is equal to 1. So x by a plus y upon, so 3a by 2 means 2 goes to top. So 2, 3a is equal to 1. What do we get now? So this becomes 3a, okay? And then 3a is LCM and 3x plus 3a 2y is equal to 1. So what do we get now? We are getting 3x plus 2y which is equal to 3a. This is our equation. It passes through which point? It passes through 3 comma minus 4. Okay. Just I substituted that x has first coordinate, y has second coordinate. Simple. 3 into 3 plus 2 into minus 4 which is equal to 3a. This is a. Okay. 3 3s are 9. 9 minus 8 is equal to 3a. And a is equal to 1 upon 3. Okay. So what do we get now? We are getting the equation as, so equation of required line. So what is that? 3x plus 2y. 3x plus 2y is equal to 3a, right? This is our equation. So just I am substituting 3 into 1 upon 3. 3, 3 cancelled. So 3x plus 2y which is equal to 1. This is the final answer. That is, or 3x, you can write 3x plus 2y minus 1 is equal to 0. This is the final answer. This is in the form of ax plus by plus c is equal to 0, right? Okay. So what we are doing? Just we are observing the which form of the equation can we consider. The second step is condition, and the third step is whether it is passing through any point or any condition is given. We are applying the step by step conditions which are given in the question. We can easily solve the question. Got it? Yes. Let us move to the next question. Yes. Look at the second question. Find the equation of a straight line passing through 4 comma minus 3 and perpendicular to the line passing through the given points. Through the given points. Say the equation of a straight line. One straight line which is passing through, let us take 4 comma minus 3. Okay. This is 4 comma minus 3. And this line is perpendicular to a line this line is passing through and perpendicular to the line passing through 1 comma 1 and 2 comma 3. Okay, 1 comma 1 and 2 comma 3. 2 comma 3. Okay, and now what do we do? Here we got a, let us take a 1 comma 1 and b a point 2 comma 3. Let us take like this. So these are the two given points. Be the two given points. Okay, these are the two given points. If these two are given points, then we can easily find the slope, right? So what we said in earlier classes, that if the two lines are perpendicular, then their slopes is -1, right? You see how it looks like? It looks like -1, right? If you see from this end. So it looks like, or if you rotate in clockwise direction, if it rotates clockwise direction, then it is going to be like this, right? So it is nothing but -1, right? So in that way, because the two lines are perpendicular, so the product of slopes is -1. Okay. So because basing on that, we can easily find the slope. Whenever the 2 points are given, we can easily calculate the slope, right? slope is equal to m is equal to, what is the formula? Difference of y coordinates by difference of x coordinates. You can take y1 minus y2 also. Okay. Now y2 is 3 minus y1. This is x1 and this is y1. Okay. This is x2 and y2. Understood? x2 minus y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. Okay. So 3 minus 2 is 2 by 1. So what do we get? Here slope we got as 2. So slope of the slope of a line, this is AB, if you consider, and this is CD. Let us take. Here it is given that AB is perpendicular to CD, right? So if the two lines are perpendicular, we can say that the slope of CD is minus 1 by m, right? Minus 1 by m. Why? The product of slopes is minus 1. So slope, first line slope is 2. 2m2 is equal to minus 1. m2 is equal to minus half. Okay. Or otherwise, first line slope is m. The second line slope is minus 1 by m. Okay. Slope of CD is minus 1 by m. That is minus 1 upon 2. Right. We got the slope. Okay. When you know the slope and we know one point also, it is passing through one point, right? So point slope form we can write, right? So and it is passing through, what is that point? 4 comma minus 3. Whenever you know one that is one slope and a point, then we can apply the equation of a line, equation of slope point form, right? Equation of line, slope point form, okay? Equation of a line is equal to, what is that? Equation of line, slope point form, that is y minus y1 is equal to m times x minus x1, right? So, equal to, because I used here. So, y minus y1, here y1, this is x and y, no? Any point passing through means that should be normal x and y. Don't confuse that x1 or y1 or x2, y2, don't think like that. If you have only one line, one point. But here two are given. So that is x1 and y1, x2, y2. Okay. Y minus y1. Y1 is minus 3, which is equal to slope is minus half into x minus x1 is, what is x1? X1 is 4. Okay. Then what do you get? Y plus 3 is equal to minus half into x minus 4. Okay. So can we cross multiply? 2y plus 6 is equal to minus x plus 4. So 2y plus x plus 6 minus 4 is equal to 0. I am putting the equation here. So x plus 2y plus 2 is equal to 0. This is our final equation. Got it? So what we did actually, two given points, because whenever they had given two given points and they are perpendicular, they are parallel. If they had given any kind of thing, what you do? Generally, you have to go with either the two lines are parallel, their slopes are equal. If the two lines are perpendicular, then their slopes are then the product of slopes is minus 1, or one slope is equal to, if the slope of one line is m, then the other line is minus 1 by m. Got it? Yes. Let us move to the next question. Yes. Show that the given sets of points are collinear and find the equation of a line L containing them. So they are saying about set of points are collinear. So in order to see the points are collinear, what do we do? Let A here actually I didn't write the points I'm writing now. 5 comma 5 and 10 comma 7. Okay, these are the 3 points, 3 set of points. So they are asking to find the whether the given points are collinear or not. Okay. Yes. So you take A and B and C like this. A, B, C are the 3 points. Just I'm finding the line, equation of a line AB. Equation of line AB. So what is the equation of line? Equation of line AB is y minus y1 by y1 minus y2 is equal to x minus x1 by x1 minus x2. Okay. So y, what is y here? So this is x1 y1. Okay. X2 y2 because we are taking AB. Okay. That's why I'm taking these 2 points. So y is the standard form and y1 is 1 by 1 minus y2. Y2 is 5. Okay. Which is equal to x minus x1. X1 is negative 5 by x1 is minus 5 minus x2 is 5. Okay. What do we get? So y minus 1 by minus 4 is equal to x plus 5 by minus 10. Okay. So can we cancel 2 times, 2 5 times? Okay. And then what do we get? So can we do cross multiplication? 2x plus 10 is equal to 5y minus 5. Okay. 5y. Otherwise, I'll send this to this side. 2x minus 5y. 2x minus 5y plus 10. So plus 10 plus 5. So can I write plus 15, which is equal to 0. This is our equation, right? So when after getting this equation, if this point also lies, this is our line, right? Say this is our line AB. If I say any third point, the third point which is C, which also lies in the on the same line, that means what do we say? That whatever the point, the point can be satisfied by the equation, right? That means when you put that point in this equation, it has to satisfy, right? Okay, that's why what I do is C lies C 10 comma 7. So C 10 comma 7 lies on the line AB. Okay, on the line AB. Then what happens? On the line AB or not, we are checking. Okay, satisfies or not. 2x minus 5y plus 15 is equal to 0. So 2 into 10 minus 5 into 7 plus 15 is equal to 0. So 20 minus 35 plus 15 is equal to 0. So 20 minus 15, 20 plus 15 is 35. 20, this is 35 plus minus 35. So 0 is equal to 0. It is satisfied, right? So we can say that 10 comma 7 is a point, lies on the line. So because it is satisfying, okay? It is satisfying. So we can say directly that because A comma B comma C are collinear. What we did? Actually, whenever the 3 points are given, we have to check whether the 3 points are collinear or not. What do we do? Just finding the slopes also you can do AB slope and AC slope. If the slopes are equal, we can say that the 3 points are the three because the slopes are equal. Then we can say that the 3 points are collinear. That is one method. Okay, and the other method is just getting the equation of a line. Okay, after getting the equation of a line, and we are going to substitute one point on that line, right? This is AB line. So because this is the equation of a line something, so when the C is on the third point, if it lies on the same line, then you can say that the 3 points are collinear, right? So if 3 or more points lie on the same line, we can say that the those points are collinear. That's why we are getting the equation and we are substituting that point whether it is satisfying or not, we are checking. Okay. If it satisfies, then well and good, those three are collinear. If those are not, then those are not collinear. Got it? Yes. So concept here is whenever the point, whenever the point lies on the given line, that is given line equation indirectly. Okay, given line equation means what? It has to satisfy the given equation. That is the main concept. Try to understand this concept clearly so that you can do any problem. Yes. Let us move to the next question. Yes. Look at the fourth question. A of A 10, 4, B minus 4, 9, C minus 2, 1 are the vertices of a triangle. Find the equations of AB, the median through A and the altitude through B, the perpendicular bisector beside AB. Okay? Yes. Come on, let us take AB. So here points are given as A 10, 4, B minus 4, 9. Okay? These are the 2 points and C minus 2, 1. Okay? These are the 3 points. So can we find easily the equation of AB? Okay? The equation of AB line, the equation of AB line is, so how do we find? Y minus 4, Y minus Y1, right? Y minus Y1 into, so here 10, x1 minus x2, okay, is equal to x minus x1 into y1 minus y2. y1 is 4 minus y2. y2 is 9. Okay. So y minus y1. So first I will write the form. Y minus y1 is equal to y minus y1 into x1 minus x2 is equal to x minus x1 into y1 minus y2. Okay. Here y1 is 4. Yes, correct. So what do we get? So y minus 4 into 10 plus 4 is 14, which is equal to x minus 4 into minus 5. Okay. So 14y minus 56, 14 4 the 56 minus plus 5x plus 20. Okay. So 5x, I'm writing here 5x plus 14y minus 56. I'm sending all things to this end, right hand side. So 5x, so this becomes plus 56 because it is minus 56 plus 20, okay, which is equal to 0, right? What do we get now? So we are getting 5x x minus, here x1 x minus x1 is 10, no, sorry, x1 is 10, okay, so 10 plus 50 minus 50. So 14 plus 56, 10 5 minus 50. So this becomes plus 50. Okay. What do we get now? 5x plus 14y plus 5x minus 50. And here you are getting my 14y minus 56 is equal to, this is also minus 5x, no? Minus 5x minus plus 50 here actually. Minus 10, no? So plus 50. So you'll get minus 56 and 5x plus 14y minus 56 minus 10, 50. So minus 106, which is equal to 0. Okay. 5x plus 14y minus 106 is equal to 0. This is our equation. This is our equation of a line AB. Okay. Next, what is the second part? Let us look at the second part. So what we did, just we have written the 2-point form. Okay. 2-point form of a line. Okay. Equation of 2-point form of a line. Y minus y1 by y minus y1 by x minus x1 is equal to y1 minus y2 by x1 minus x2. Or anyway, y minus y1 by into x1 minus x2 is equal to x minus x1 into y1 minus y2. Anyway, you can do. Okay. Y1 minus y2. Okay. Yes. Let us move to the next question. The median through A. Yes. What do you find? What is a median? So if you take a particular triangle, this is our triangle. So what is a median? Median is the line joining from vertex to the opposite base, opposite side midpoint. This is the midpoint, right? So if you take this ABC is the triangle, CD is the median. This is passing through the midpoint of the line AB. Okay. So here D is the midpoint of AB, right? D is the, let us take D is the midpoint of AB. Okay. D is the midpoint of AB. Then what do you say? So we know the coordinates of A, B, C. Three coordinates. So A is 10, 4. A 10, 4. B minus 4, 9. And C minus 2, minus 1. Okay. These 3 points, we have to get the values of coordinates of D, right? If D is the midpoint, do you know how to find the coordinates of a midpoint? When the two endpoints are given, right? X1 plus x2 by 2 plus y1 plus y2 by 2. Yeah, yeah. So can we take here the median through A? Sorry. So what we have to do, we should not take this one. So normal, for normal thing I explained like this, but particular, you see, the median through A. So we have to take the median through which point? Through A. So we have to consider these 2 points. That is, BC is our line, right? So B and C are the 2 points. Okay. So D is the midpoint of BC here, right? Because they asked it is passing through A. That's why we changed it to like this. Okay. D is the midpoint of BC. So how to find the midpoint coordinates? So coordinates of midpoint coordinates of midpoint D. So how to find x1 plus x2 by 2? This is 1 point. Y1 plus y2 by 2, right? Come on, let us calculate this. So x1 is, this is B, x1, y1 and x2 and y2, okay? Yeah. So x1 is minus 4 minus 2, plus of minus 2 is minus 2 by 2, y1 is 9, y2 is minus 1 by 2, okay? So what is our point? Minus 6 by 2 and 8 by 2. That is minus 3, 4 is our midpoint. What they asked, the median through A. Find the equation of median through A. So we got the coordinates of this point, minus 3, 4. We know the coordinates of A. So if you know two coordinates, we can easily write the equation. Yes or no? We can easily write the equation. So equation of median, we can call that as median, right? Median AD. Okay. So how to find? So what is the form? Y minus y1 y minus y1, just I will write directly otherwise. Okay. Yes, what do we get? So y minus y1, y minus y1, y. Here, what is y? Y is y itself, right? Because that is y. Y minus 4 into 10 plus 3 is equal to x plus 3. Okay, minus of minus 3 into 4 minus 4, right? So y minus 4 into 13 is equal to, this becomes 0. So 13y minus 13y minus 52 is equal, otherwise y to multiply, because 0, no, this end, no need of multiplying. So y minus, because 13 if you send this side, it is going to divide. 0 by any number is 0, right? So y minus 4 is equal to 0, which implies y is equal to 4 is our equation of the median. Got it? So median, first you should know the median concept and coordinates of the midpoint. So coordinates of the midpoint are x1 plus x2 by 2, y1 plus y2 by 2. That you have to take. Okay. If you want more videos like this, please download Vivid Brains from Play Store. You will get all solutions of this, and please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.